real meaning of Christmas. Let me open up my message with a brief recollection on the humble beginnings of Vishay International. Who could have predicted that a small and unassuming business enterprise with no illusions of grandeur or overwhelming success would have been able to come this far? The journey that has taken me here has been full of obstacles, of stumbling blocks, and of people who doubted the potential. I would never get tired of sharing my life story because I know in my heart that my life is meant to inspire people. And to remind you that with strong faith in God, determination and hard work, nothing is impossible. It seemed like only yesterday when I was just a struggling dreamer who tried hard to make both ends meet and who had young, hungry mouths to feed. But I had a burning desire and a very strong motivation that made all the difference. I wanted not only to make something of myself, but also to provide a more secure future for my growing children and expanding family. I always recall those sleepless nights and endless days just to make my dreams come true. Yes, dreams do come true, thanks to Vishay and the people who believe in it. But as I look at all of you from where I stand right now, I realize that my sleepless nights are far from over. There will be more sleepless nights because my family, which includes all of you who are gathered in this ballroom tonight, has been growing and expanding. As your mother, it is my responsibility to see to it that you will have a more secure future, and I assure you, I will never let you down. But I can only do so much. My success is your success. So as your mother, I humbly ask for your love, commitment, and trust in the company so that our journey together would be more successful. Let me caution you that the journey won't be easy, but those who will be successful in the journey will receive the reward. I am therefore very pleased and honored that as Vishay conquers newer heights, expands its market share, and hurdles another year, we will pay tribute and recognize the individuals and teams that made it all possible for Vishay. Congratulations, of course, and a round of applause for our top dealers, please. On a personal note, I look back at the past 12 months with mixed emotions. I now bid farewell to the year 2013, which has been an unforgettable roller coaster ride where I experienced a lot of highs and lows, twists and turns, and ups and downs. Last May, I asked myself why Lady Luck was not by my side just when I was facing the biggest and most challenging political battle of my life. But God has His own reason, because it turned out that all the while, Lady Luck kept herself busy, focusing on Vishay, now recognized as one of the fastest growing and one of the most stable Filipino-owned companies in the beauty and wellness market industry. So you see, We should always focus on the positive and try not to dwell on the negative. When a door closes, we must open not one, not two, but many windows of opportunities. I would like to share the success and blessings that we have right now with, of course, my very supportive husband. Grabe. Listen up, Dad. Kiko de los Reyes, who would have always been my bedrock and source of strength. I also share the glory with my children and their families, for they have been my inspiration. Finally, with him above for his unconditional love despite our imperfections. So as we sit back and enjoy our meals and entertainment, let us remember to count our blessings, to be more responsive and to be ready to face another challenging year ahead. Do not rest on your present achievements, do not be overconfident, and do not be too dependent on the success that we are now enjoying. We have to be on our guard all the time because it's a very competitive beauty and wellness market. There would always be product breakthroughs, research innovations, and updated marketing trends from newer and younger companies that would challenge us for market dominance and supremacy. After the music and laughter from the night's affair die down, after the light from this ballroom is turned off, and as you go back to your respective homes to celebrate Christmas with your families, I urge you and I challenge you to become the best and most effective agents of change for the better by fulfilling our company vision to make people more beautiful and improve their lives through extra income. Then you will gain not only a loyal Bushay customer but also a friend for life. Together, you and I will make a difference in this world and will make Bushay bigger, better, bolder, and brighter by year 2014 and beyond. Thank you to all of you. Thank you so much, and God bless us all. You know, I would really like to, from my heart, this is now my piece. Of course, it's a prepared message, but this one which I love doing by sharing. Alam po ninyo, I cannot, 8 years ago, Bushay started when there was a need for us, for me to earn. Diba, sabi ng ABT? Alam po ninyo, to all of you out there, walang imposible. Alam ko po na ang pinoproblema lang naman ng tao, syempre with Bushay, hindi na yung mukha, di ba? Lagi kasing maganda with Bushay. Problema lang naman talaga ng tao yung paggastos araw-araw, pangbayad ng utang, pampapaaral ng mga anak. Those are yung mga simpleng bagay na pinoproblema natin araw-araw. Everywhere I go, every time I do have the speaking engagement, lagi kong sinasabi, alam niyo, sipag lang naman talaga eh. Sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon, focus, hard work. Can you please turn off that, what you call that, light? Spotlight. So I can have a view. Okay. Hi, salamat. Nakikita ko na kayo lahat. Alam niyo, today, nag-construct na po tayo ng ating malaking manufacturing plant. It is located in Dasmariñas Technopark in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Alam po ninyo, it is close to 4,000 square feet ang area. The first time that I visited the area, the site, tears uncontrollably falling from my eyes. Why? Nakita ko na yung almost 4,000 square meter na lupa, naka-enclose na siya. The reason why I love to share this, as I said earlier, that my life is meant to inspire. Sinasabi ko po sa inyo ito, just giving hope to each and everyone. Alam ko kasi talaga na in times, lalo na nangihina na tayo pag marami ng problema, but just see Mayor Che or Ma'am Che or whichever you want to call me. Pagdating ko po doon sa location, naka-enclose ng blue na tropal yung planta na kinoconstruct. Hindi ko na lang sasabihin sa inyo kung magkano yung halaga ng kinoconstruct na planta. You can just imagine sa almost 4,000 square meter feet na. Square meter na lang. Okay. Alam niyo kung bakit talagang iyak ako ng iyak? Kasi, parang ganito sabi ko, naalala ko, the very first day when I started studying Boucher, that time was generic. Wala pa talagang pangalan ang Boucher. Ang sa akin, ang benta lang ako ng benta for income, for kita. And all of a sudden, I can very well recall, from still very, very fresh, from my mind, from my heart, from my whole being, how Boucher started. Alam na alam ko with so much rejection, with so much pain, heartbreaking situation. It was only me who knew how good a product is and was. Grabe ang pakikipaglaban. So the very first day, still very fresh from my mind and heart. Tapos biglang nakita ko na nag-construct na tayo in 8 years time. Biglang nakita ko ang laking construction na ginagawa for Boucher Manufacturing Plant, hindi sa basta-bastang lugar, kundi sa isang napakalaking industrial area in Taas Marinas, Cavite. Lord, and to all of you, thank you so much because without you, always, lagi ko sinasabi, kung wala po kayo, wala ang Boucher.